Today is Monday, March 30th. This is an update to a post that we made last week on the euro dollar to the yen. We tried getting in a sniper short trade, which we ended up getting on Wednesday. And over the weekend, I want you to see what this market did. It came down, hit our profit target at the 50% Fibonacci, which is 2 to 1, which is what we were going for. And so that one came out as a winner. And the other one was the pound to the yen right here. This is another one that we posted that we were looking to get in on limit trades as a sniper. And look at what this market did. So I want you to see this. This is the VMS 2.0 strategy. I have free information that's available on TradingView. I also have free information of breakdowns of this strategy here on YouTube. Watch them, ask questions, I will respond. This is a way that you can make some extra money, but you have to be very careful. You have to be patient, wait for the setups to come to you, and follow the rules. If you can do that, you can make money with this. Have a great day.